Welcome. Let's name the alkane using the IUPAC rules. The IUPAC, remember, it stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. So naming an alkane, which is very important. Now there are 4 points that you need to remember. 1, you must identify the homologous series. And then the second one is about the parent chain. And then the third one will be about naming the substituent or branches. And then the last one will be naming the compound. So very important one. Now let's go with this one. We are given this alkane. It's an alkane because it consists of only hydrocarbons and only single bonds between carbon atoms. That's why it's an alkane. Remember, all alkanes are saturated. Now in naming we go for homologous series. Which homologous series is this one? It's an alkane, we know, fine. And then next we go to the longest chain, which is the parent chain. Now we count number of carbon atoms connected together forming the longest chain. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can have 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can have 6 carbon atoms. Then now what we do, we can circle so that now it will become clear to say this is our parent chain. Now once you have circled this one, now the second thing, while still on the parent chain, you have to number the carbon atoms. When you number the carbon atoms, you start from the side which is closer to the branch. Fine, because this one is an alkane. Then if you start from the left, the first branch is at carbon number 1 2 3. Then if you start from the right, the first branch is at carbon number 2. Therefore carbon number 1 will be this one. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now therefore the alkane with 6 carbon atoms, we know that is hexane. Fine. Now we have to name the branches now. To which carbon atoms do we find the branch? The first branch will be 1 carbon at carbon number 2. Remember, 1 carbon is meth. Therefore, because it's without 1 hydrogen, it will be an alkyl group. Therefore, we have got methyl at carbon number 2. We'll name it 2-methyl. And then the next branch will be at carbon number 4. Again, is 1 carbon, which is methyl. Therefore, we'll call it 4-methyl. Now, in naming the whole compound, now you're left to connect all these 3. Remember, when you name, we now start with the branches or substituents. It will be in front of the parent chain, parent name in this case. Now we have got at carbon number 2, I've got methyl. Again at carbon number 4, I've got methyl. Because there are 2, I will call dimethyl. And then parent chain is hexane. That is how we name this one. So the name of this will be 2,4 dimethyl hexane. Hope you understand. I think we'll name other compounds. Thank you.